Hi, it's Marvin. Today I've got a 2-hour Morrisons block paying £40. It's a Saturday morning. The weather's not too bad. It's not rainy or snowy or icy like it has been the last few weeks. 7 degrees. Now I forgot to charge my car last night. It's a hybrid and I normally do most of my deliveries on battery, but I've only got about 12 miles for battery today. Hopefully the deliveries will be quite close and we'll still be able to do it all on battery. We'll have to see how it goes. Ride along with me. I'll see you after I've loaded up. Quick update on my charge level. So this morning I realised I hadn't plugged in last night. It's fine, it's a hybrid, so we use petrol anyway, but I like to use the electric when I'm delivering. So this morning it was on about 6 miles. I plugged it in for an hour. It went up to 10 miles, 9 or 10 miles, and then driving to the store, I drove along the motorway and stuck it on extra charge. So now I've got 15 miles. So hopefully 15 miles will cover the deliveries we got today. Let's load up. Busy today?
Yeah, phoning sick and all that stuff.
So you're running around doing the job of two people? It's better being busy than having nothing to do, isn't it?
Oh, I don't know. Sitting around doing nothing and not getting paid because I don't have sound good right now. It does make time a lot slower and stuff, so it's now every hour.
Yeah. Today we've got 4 baths, 6 cakes, 8 edges. There's actually 11 going to this same address, based. So there's 10 with labels and 1 extra. 4 weird, 5 arrow. All loaded up, we've got 38 bags altogether, 6 stops. The first stop is 11 miles away, 17 minutes. I'm going to do that on petrol and then use electric for the rest. And most of the other deliveries are close by together, and it's also close to home, which is good. So we'll see how it goes. So one of the good things with Morrisons, and in fact all the stores delivery, so Morrisons Co-op in Iceland, the customer chooses the 2-hour slot, so they're nearly always in and they're waiting for their groceries. That means it's a good way to get your stand-ins back up because you don't have any worries about hiding parcels anywhere or any worries about the person not being in. And your standing seems to go up quicker doing stores deliveries than it does with just doing the logistics. Hello. I've got 11 bags for you. Where would you like me to put them? Yep, sure. No, it's fine, I'll carry it for you. Is it okay to leave that open or? It's okay. Yes. I do the parcels delivery sometimes, and so many people say they don't get their parcels, so I've started videoing it now. Because they just try it on, and then we get the blame, even though we've delivered it. Yeah. So I just put them in here for you. There we go. That's just popped open, but everything's still in there. I'll go get the others. Those ones are a little bit heavier. Okay. Oh. There we go, all done for you.
Oh, thanks very much.
Okay, have a nice afternoon.
And yourself.
Thanks. Bye. Let's take it in. Hello. I got 5 more for you. Hiya.
Hello mate, alright, thank you very much.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 more. 2 more? Yeah. 8 altogether. There we go, all done for you. Cheers, have a nice afternoon. Hello. There's 3. This is the heavy one. And I think this is the one I need to ask you what year you were born.
1984.
Super. Let's put it in. Are you Joe?
Yeah.
Cool. 1984. Super. All done. Thank you. Here we go. Yeah,
Lovely
got it.
job,
Cool.
thank you very much.
Cheers, thanks. Have a nice afternoon.
Right.
Hello, got your Morrisons for you. Cheers, thank you. So that was a 2-hour Morrisons block, paying £40 for the block, done in just over an hour and a half, an hour and 33 minutes, so we'll call it an hour and a half. That makes it £26 an hour. Fuel wise, I used fuel to the first stop, 7 miles, so not much there. And then everything else was done on electric, so that costs less than £1 for all of the mileage I did for the deliveries. And this week I reached 2,000 subscribers. Thanks very much for everybody who subscribed. Thanks very much for everybody who likes my videos. If you like this one, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, you can subscribe. I'm going to start doing more shorts, which have more of my Marvin's Flex tips. So the actual tippy stuff will be shorts, and then the ride along videos will be the long form videos. So that's my plan for 2026. That's it for today. See you all soon. Bye.